This is just one last poem. I wrote this about Amy Winehouse just recently. Her passing has been like losing a friend, even though I didn't know her. Didn't matter. Just, her music spoke to me more than anything else. So I wrote this poem, and I hate reading my poems out, so forgive me. It's called Nightingale. Have I said that? I can't remember. It's called Nightingale. Okay. Today I thought I heard your voice, caught it on the wind. I closed my eyes and held my breath and heard you and Donny sing a lullaby of paradise, a lullaby so sweet. The nightingale, she flew away and buried my soul in deep. Now what is there left here without your tender notes to behold? Never can the cloud over Camden Square pass to lift the silence which unfolds. Silence on the airwaves, not unlike the silence in my mind. A white noise laced in grief. They always tell you it will fade in time. But summer has turned to winter, and the days remain the same as that one in late July, when emptiness poured inside as the nightingale took her flight. Homeward to the sanctuary, where Ava soared beneath the sun. Here she came upon her own blue jay, and to the sanctuary they sung. Today I thought I heard that voice, caught it on the wind. I closed my eyes and held my breath and heard you and Donny sing a lullaby of paradise. It was a lullaby so sweet. The nightingale, she flew away and finally found her peace.